Kamachielo, jatend migawo mar arita Kithure Kindiki owacho ni ji maromo 42 nowito ngimagi e ng'anyo mag rowere mag Gen Z ka nyaka sani ji maromo 132 manolal e kinde ng'anyogo pok oyudi. Kindiki nochopo e nyim komiti mar arita e od bura mamalo mano kama ne oduoke penjo e wi thoe mag rowere mag Gen Z e kinde ng'anyo manobagi dwe mar auchiel higani.
Of those who died is 42. But that statement had identified up to 30 of the deceased. So what I asked the police to do, I think it was just like, because the information is there, it has always been there. These numbers and who died where, in what circumstances, the context in which they died, some by bullet, others by mob, etc. That information is there. So I discovered that the information given was up to case number 30. So I asked them to update the other 12 because death is a legal consequence. And therefore, what I will be pleading with this committee is to be given 24 hours. You already have the statement that has up to 30 of the deceased. The other 12 could be provided as supplementary information in 24 hours. As I have said many times, the government of Kenya has nothing to hide. If a Kenyan died, we cannot hide the fact that a Kenyan has died. What we need to do is to find out the circumstances under which the Kenyan died and ensure that if there is culpability or culpability by any person, including a security official or a law enforcement agency, justice is served.
Nyakora mogijong mano jagoro kara jatend migawo mochung'ne weche mag arita pacho ka Kithure Kindiki pod entiere od bura nyaka sani ma weche manyien ichopo ne achiel kachiel mago tipo motelo ne saa 7 ma kawuono ma bende ne wayudo kacha to kata kwa yude e od bura tipo ne achiel kachiel